Hi guys, hope all is well today. Welcome back to Your Values. Today is the third video about life values. Now we saw the first part with consciousness, acceptance and forgiveness. To heal, come back to zero. We saw the three first ones of the second part, which are meaning, self-discipline and focus. And we're going to see now the two last ones of this evolution part before the first part. Now, once you have had your meaning, your meaning, self-discipline to go to your meaning and focus on that path you chose, you will need patience. Now, patience. Sometimes you act, you do something, but the results arrive later. You order a dress. It's going to arrive in 3 days. It's not going to arrive in 1 hour. So you have 3 days. You can't do anything. It's not going to arrive before. Use this time to meditate, to do work on something else. You have to learn to be patient. Last value is perseverance. Now, perseverance, I would say, is more of the active version of patience. Patience, you have to wait once you've done something. Perseverance is about repeating something and the results will come at some point. For instance, you go to the gym once. Okay, that's great. You go to the gym once every day for 1 year, the results will be totally different. But you can't do anything else than go every day to have the results at the end of the year. You have to work. So you have to hang on, be patient, and also be perseverant. If you can do something more and more and more, be consistent, continue and continue and continue. Patience and perseverance. And now next time is going to be the fourth part of the consequences of all this work. Normally, if you've done everything until now, you're on a good track. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I will be very happy to answer. See you soon on Your Values.